Hey everyone. So right here, we're going to break down what to do if your clock size setting isn't working on your iPhone running iOS 26. Some users already notice that when they try to change the lock screen clock size, nothing actually happens. Wow, that's frustrating. But don't worry, I'm going to help you fix it step by step. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure you're using the default system font. Apple only allows font resizing with the default style. If you've selected any custom font style, the size option won't change a thing. Next, you can go ahead and open the Settings app, tap on Wallpaper, then tap Customize under Lock Screen. Over here, tap on the time and you'll see the font and color options. Make sure it's set to default. Now you can slide the size up or down. If the slider still doesn't respond, restart your iPhone. Sometimes display settings gotta refresh after switching themes. That's an adequate quick fix. Anyways, remember that in iOS 26, Apple kept the font customization a bit limited. You'd have to have the default font active if you want to make the clock bigger or smaller. Oh great, that's all you need right here. Try these fixes and your clock size setting should work fine ahead. If you have any other questions, drop them below and I'll help you make out what's going wrong if required.